Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to install LTspice. LTspice is basically useful for electronic circuit simulation and circuit design. So LTspice, today we will learn how to install this, and also we will try to create one circuit that will be basically a simple voltage divider circuit. So let's begin, but before going to installation I would like to show you basically the feature of LTspice is it can draw circuits and it can simulate to see wave views. That is, by this LTspice we can find our waveforms which are present in the circuit. So this LTspice basically can help us to find different parameters of the circuit at its different nodes or branches, and it has many analysis modes, just like the transient mode, and there are the DC mode, and there are many other modes, but in this video we will learn about the transient mode and how to use that. So let's start by installing. So I am opening my Google Chrome. Here I will write LTspice download for Windows 10. This will suggest me different links from where I may download, but I would prefer you to download it from analog devices. So this is from www.analog.com, and if I click it and open in a new tab, so in the new tab you will find that the analog.com will show you the LTspice download options also. So here, this is the new tab. So here by scrolling down I can see that it has download LTspice. So this is for Windows, this is for Mac OS. So for the Windows on which are end of support, so for them they can click this link, and for them who have the Windows 10 or more, that is Windows 11 till now, so 64-bit OS, for them they can click this one, and if I click this one it will automatically redirect to a new page, and there the download option will be open, and this will open my Windows Explorer where I may select the path. So I am clicking the download section where I can keep the file. So this is the .msi extended file. So when I am saying save, then it is saying that I have already downloaded LTspice 64.msi. so I am skipping this part, so I am not doing. You have to click save and it will automatically download the .msi file. So after downloading, you should go to your download option where you have kept your installed file, and here you can see I have LTspice 64.msi. so I have downloaded it yesterday. So I am double clicking on it and it is saying preparing to install. So after saying preparing to install, it will automatically open this one, and here you will find that you have the next option is enabled, as all the need of the background is successful by your PC. So you will get this next option is available for you. So click next, and next you have to click this I accept the terms which are mentioned in this license agreement, and select next, and then select for the users for which you want to make this software available. So I am making this software for this account only, so only for me, and clicking next, and then you have to browse, or you don't need to change. I will prefer you that you don't change any path of this installation. So you just make it what it is saying, and click next. So install that, and when the installation begins, so it will take some time, as you can see. So after successful installation, you can find it will say that completing the LTspice setup wizard, and here you may click this checkbox, and for this it will launch the LTspice for the first time, but I can skip this, as this installation will automatically create an shortcut icon of your LTspice software in your desktop. So I am clicking finish. Okay, so this is your software present in your desktop. Now I am double clicking on this icon to open the LTspice. Right, so this is the basic GUI, graphic user interface, which is open in front of you. And for LTspice software, as you have installed the software successfully, you don't need to learn any programming language or any programming idea also. So this is basically free graphic user interface software through which you can you just have to know basic concept of electronics only. Okay, so here I am going to take this new schematic. So everyone please follow my cursor. So under this top level I am clicking this almost play button like structure, like icon. So this is the new schematic. So when you will click that, this gray screen will appear in front of you. Now you have to collect each and every component. So first of all I am taking this ground. So ground is just the right side of the pencil like icon. So this is the ground. Now please click the escape button to escape from this selected icon. Okay, so I have taken one ground only. Now I will wish to take some voltage source. So for the voltage source you need to go to this one, this plugin type icon, and this is the component icon. So clicking that you will get this interface open, and here you can search. So this is the search box. Here I am going to write voltage. Yeah, so this is the voltage. So I am clicking OK, and I am putting this voltage here. Now again click the escape. Okay, so now there are many other icons also. We will explore later in later upcoming videos on this topic, but today I am going to draw one voltage divider circuit. So for that purpose, this is the resistor. So I am putting this resistor here and this resistor here. So again I am clicking escape, and now I want to show you that if you scroll down, so you will get a zoom in view, and if you scroll up you will get a zoom out view. Okay, so on the basis of your mouse scroll and in which view you want, in how many big structure you want to see, it depends on totally you. Now I want to take one ground again, so I have put that ground here, and again clicking the escape. So now I will choose this one. This is the where. So this is the pencil like structure, this is where, and now I will go to this end of this voltage source, and I have clicked here and I am getting upward, and again clicked to bend right. Now I am again clicked to bend below and just joined. So it's as simple as paint. So those who have basic idea how to use paint, they can feel that it's simple like paint, and even you can relate it to AutoCAD and other drawing softwares also. So I have completed this. Yeah, so now I can proceed forward for the simulation, but before simulation the voltage parameter is not set and the resistance value is not set. So the voltage parameter, so for that you have to go on that icon. So this is the icon. You can see that there is a hand like hand indicating by one finger. So if I right click now, I will get the parameter entry box. So this is the DC value entry box, this is the series resistance. So nothing, no internal resistance, I am considering no internal resistance, so only the DC value. Let's say it is 10 volt and I am saying okay. So this is set to 10 volt, and now this resistance, so I am just overing my mouse and I am right clicking on it. So please right click, else you will not get that. Okay, so this is the resistance, it is said R, so R is not appropriate. I can say that as 100 ohm resistance, so just say okay. And for the second one also, if I right click here, so not here, you have to go on the component and you have to right click that. Okay, so here I am writing again 100 ohm, just for easy understanding of us. So this is the circuit. Now I want to simulate that and I want to see that how the circuit gives us the parameters and other things. So for that purpose you have to go to the simulate option, and now you have edit simulation command, and here by clicking the edit simulation command you have to put the stop time. So stop time, let's say 2 seconds. So by default the unit is second, and automatically when you put here the command will be inserted here. So this is the dot tran 2. okay, so why tran? Because we have selected transient. So I said in the features in the starting of this video that there are several features, just like the transient analysis, AC analysis, DC sweep. So these are the DC transfer, and there are several other things. It can measure noise also. So this is the stop time which I have selected for 2 seconds. So I will see my output, I will simulate the whole circuit for 2 seconds. So I am clicking this OK. So automatically this will be with your cursor. You can see that the command, that is the .tran 2, is moving with your cursor. So you can put it anywhere. I'm putting it here. Yeah, so I have just left click and I have put that here. Now you have to go to this running man. This is the run icon. So when I left click this run icon, the new window will open just in the upward section. So here first of all you will see nothing is present in this black screen, but if you hover on the circuit and let's say I am clicking here, so you can see that it is constant 10 volt output. So why here the voltage is 10 volt? Because it is directly connected with the 10 volt supply, and the 10 volt supply does not have any internal resistance or anything, and even where internal resistance is also 0, it is considered. So this is what we are getting here. But if I go for this node, this this middle section of this R1 and R2, so if I right click here, you can see that it is the 5 volt. okay, the blue line, it is 5 volt. So why 5 volt? Because we are using 100 ohm and 100 ohm, and the whole these two are used in a series, and the whole voltage, that is the total voltage V1, that is 10 volt, is divided into two parts. So basically this is a simple voltage divider. Voltage not only divider, it is half, it is making the voltage half. So this circuit, and in between this, if I took an output, I will get 5 volt. So this is how you can draw basic circuit. And now how to get rid of this? So you can directly close that, okay, and you can make it maximize. So and now you can change here by putting any capacitor or anything. So this is DC, so nothing will happen with the capacitor. So you can add more resistance, you can change the resistance value also. So by right clicking again on the component, and you can change the value. Let's say I have changed to 200 and say okay. Now I am going again to simulate. So edit simulation command, and under the command here again I want to see it for the 2 seconds, or let's say for 1 second this time I want to see. So for that the tran will be 1. So tran 1 automatically changed. So now I am again running this. and if I want to see the voltage between these two, you will see 6.66, and if I want to see the input voltage, it is 9.99, just upward the 9.99, so it is 10. So this time the input voltage is 10 volt, and in between this 100 ohm and 200 ohm we will get 6.6 voltage. So 6.6 volt voltage, yeah. So this is what the LTspice basic circuit. So LTspice, and for your academic purpose, you must have to remember that the LTspice, it is not written as whole in capital, it is written as LT as capital letter, but spice is in the small. So this is the conventional way to express the name of this software. So thanks for seeing this video. I wish I could help you how to install and how to start your invention in this software. So this in this channel I have already uploaded C programming related videos, although the number of videos is very small, but I have tried to cover many topics there from the basic. And this channel also has a Verilog section. So Verilog section, in the Verilog section I have uploaded already one video where you can find how to install the Verilog, and soon you will get other videos on Verilog also. So basically I am trying to make helpful for the electronic students through these videos. So thanks for visiting again, and for those new viewers, if you found that any helpful topic is present here, so please hit a subscribe button, because the subscribe button is very much important for us who creates. It gives us more good feel, more more energy to make other videos and to explore other softwares also. Thanks again, and it will be better if you put any comment on the present topic, and if anything, if you want to know, please put it in your comment. So thanks for visiting my channel.